Welcome again, and on this trick I'm going to show you how you can get free subscribers and view time on YouTube, and this is how we do it. So first, go to your Facebook account. I will recommend you to create a new Facebook account for this activity. So create a new account, then come here, search sub for sub. Then many of the pages and groups will appear. So join the groups like this one, for example. Sometimes they'll want you to answer questions. So let me see if I can get the one that will be approved instantly. So we check the one with many followers, like you see this has 4.9k comments. So let's try and join this. Oh shit, they want us to answer questions again. Okay, I'll just leave this and go to the one that I already in. Now, once you are in, as you can see, you just need to post your link on the group and people will like it. For example, this one. People will just follow the link and subscribe to your channel, and in return they will need you to subscribe back to their channel, and that's how it's happened. So for example, you can see this one, I need 1k sub for sub. So you paste your link, she likes your link, then she likes your YouTube channel or video. Then again, you like back. You can also do this on Instagram. Just type in sub for sub. Then you'll see a lot, then you follow. Let's take another one, sub for sub. Then follow. So once approved, you can post on these groups with your link, your video link or your profile link. So when persons subscribe to your channel, you also subscribe back. Like you see, many people are doing that. You can also try that on Twitter. Just search sub for sub. And you can see just follow as many, follow those type of groups as many as possible. So also you can post here your YouTube link, and people will start following you while they are waiting for you to follow them. That's how you pay back and you grow your community. So that's all about trick number 1. On trick number 2, go to this site, admin first, then sign up an account if you don't want. The link is in the description. Then log in. Then come to add site. Then with this site, there are a lot of people, over 1 million people on this site waiting to view people's profile videos, Facebook likes, shares, Telegram, TikTok followers. So they are willing to do all that in return of getting points. in which these points they can turn back to money, or they can promote their channels again. So if you want to learn more about making money in AdminFast, the link is in the description. I have a specific video explaining that. So we're going to add our social media account here, which is this YouTube. So for example, I want to increase the view count in this video. So I'll take this URL, then I go to AdminFast account, click on add site, then go to YouTube, views, then paste your URL here, key in the title, for example view and get 10 points. Then the total clicks you want on that, so this represents a number of people will view this, so you can say 1000. Then how many daily clicks do you want? Let me specify to 100, so that the YouTube will not detect spamming. And CPC, these are the points you are giving that person to like, to view your videos on every time he clicks. So I'll say here, let me give out 5. So once I save changes, any person who will view this video will get 5 points, and the points will be deducted from my total points. So let's try that. Like that. So it is active and it's running, and every time that person clicks there, I will get a view count on that video, and my deduction will be deducted from my total points. So you know, you're asking, how do I get these points? So to get these points, you simply do the same. View other people's pages, other people's videos, like this for example. You say view for 30 seconds and get 8 points. So I'm viewing this video and I'm waiting for like 30 seconds. Let's see what will happen. Right now it's 22.89. So let's wait and see if indeed it will increase. So 30 seconds over, close this. So you need to verify that you are a human being. Click here to place this image correctly like this, then submit. Then your points added. I can also like other people's video. The same, I will get the points. You simply like, then wait 2 to 3 seconds before you close the tab, and you get your points. So there's an error because I closed that tab very fast. You can also go to Twitter. Let me go to Instagram likes. Please create a fake account to practice this on this website. Don't use a real account. So when I like, I wait for 2 to 3 seconds, then I close it, and the points will be adding. You can try all this out, guys. Facebook likes, shares, followers, Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, everything you can do it here. So you look the one with many points so that you grow your points very fast. And again, another thing is when you go to daily bonus, when you accumulate 100 clicks, 100 and above, you get an additional of 400 points. And also when you refer someone to this site, you get 300 bonus points. So for that sake, if you don't have this account, there is a link on the description. Join using my link so that I can get 300 points. It is simple as that. And within 2 to 3 days, you will have over 1,000 subscribers and views. This is what people are doing, and it's easy. So if you have any comment on this, guys, please let me know how it worked on your side, because it works different on different people. Let's discuss that on the comment section, and I would love to hear if this helped you or not. If you didn't got any help here, please subscribe, because I'm working on another trick and I will not want you to miss it again. Thank you. Have a good morning, good evening, and good night.